Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to be making homemade yogurt. The ingredients we're gonna need for that are just whole milk and yogurt, store-bought yogurt. We have this one from Costco, and we are also going to be using this Instapot. We're going to start by adding in our Instapot 8 cups of whole milk. Once we have the milk in the Instapot, we're going to press the yogurt button. After, click the adjust button or the up temperature until it says boil. Close your Instapot and then press start. When the milk gets heated up, it kills the bacteria that lives in it. When it finishes, we're going to want to let it cool down for about 30 minutes. If we don't let it cool down, it could kill the yogurt bacteria. In a separate bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt per liter of milk. In this case, we're adding 4 tablespoons. We're going to mix a little bit of the milk with the yogurt and whisk until it all comes together. Then we're going to add that into the Instapot with all the milk and stir a couple more times. After stirring it for a couple of times, put the lid back on. We're going to press the yogurt button again and up temp, but this time we're looking for the 8-hour option. Once you find it, press start. After the 8 hours passed, we refrigerated our yogurt all night, and this is how it looked. The yogurt was a little bit watery, so we decided to make it Greek yogurt, and to make it Greek, this is how you do it. We just need a cheesecloth and a strainer. We're gonna pour our yogurt into the cheesecloth and then tighten it. This will allow the water to come out of the yogurt, making it creamier. Then we're gonna put it back in the fridge anywhere from 4 to 12 hours. Our yogurt has been in the fridge for about 4 hours, and I just want to show you how it looks and how much water came out of the yogurt. It was definitely creamier, and look at all the water that came out of it. So this was the result of batch number 1. It's super creamy and delicious. If you wanted to make more yogurt, you just save a couple of tablespoons from this batch and then you repeat the process. This was everything for today. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday.